book was sent to me for review and I was really excited to get it open and start reading about it. So it's very fascinating, and even just the title kind of strikes you, but it's Swedish Death Cleaning Made Simple for Americans. And this particular book goes into a lot of detail on how to declutter your home, really trying to make it a little bit more minimalistic and just removing some of that emotional attachment that we tend to have towards stuff, right? That's just something that we have here, more so here in the US, but in other places as well. So this book is a very easy read. It's about 120 pages, and you do have a really, really good table of contents in here, as you can see there. So it will walk you through specifically certain categories. So if you're looking for more just decluttering help and really understanding the attachment with that sentimentality with some of those items, digital decluttering, minimalization for the soul, eco-friendly decluttering. So a lot of information in here, the psychology of letting go, right, which is very important. So I really enjoyed this one. I definitely recommend it for, again, if you're looking at your home and saying, I really need some help in decluttering and, you know, getting rid of some of these items that I may have held on to for a little too long just based on sentimental reasons. So definitely recommend. I like this one a lot.